Okay. Good evening, guys. I hope everyone is good. And yeah, we are going to start now. So, as discussed yesterday, okay. Uh, from today onwards, we will start regular sessions, and there are some more new things you are going to learn. Now, yes, we will start with the training, real-time training. So yesterday we have seen some introductory part, right? Some introduction part we have seen yesterday. Am I audible, everyone? Please put a thumb over there. Is it fine now, everyone? What about now? Nice. So yeah, yesterday we have seen some introduction about what are the roles and responsibility will be open after this course, okay, and how the peoples are getting switched after the completion of this course, and miss blah blah blah. Yesterday we have seen lots of the new thing. I have also shown you what is the generative AI and why we are calling it as a generative AI, right? So basics we have seen yesterday. Today we will start actual training part. Okay. So I will just discuss with you some uh, thing with you that what is the roadmap and how we are going to complete it. So what is the roadmap? So see, the duration of this course is total 5 to 5.5 months. This is a total tenure. Now, what you will get in this 5.5 months, yesterday we have seen, but still I am going to repeat one more time because that is something some people are new joined today. So, first we will see about the Python. Then we will go for machine learning algorithms. In the machine learning, you will see the different types of algorithms, statistics part. Then we will move towards deep learning. After this, you will also learn about natural language processing, NLP. After natural language processing, we will see deep learning. We will take at least one project for the deep learning, one project on the natural language processing. Okay. For machine learning, we will complete. We have two real-time projects plus at least two means we can say for every algorithm we will design one code, so we can say there is a 10 codes for the every algorithms. Then after that we will also see about the generative AI. In Gen AI we will cover the lang chain, lang graph, then we can say it is a RAG, right? We will see about some agentic AI, React agent. What is the React agent? We will also see about the MCP deployment, and also we will see about some projects. So for RAG, we will take one project. For LangChain, I will take one project. For LangGraph, I will take one project. Now just see here, if you observe, for every topic, I'm trying to take one project. Okay. So just analyze, if we make practical training as well as plus projects, you will get more hands-on, right? And that will gives you confidence to crack the interviews. Okay, why we require this much projects? This is simply help you to crack the interviews. And that's why if you see, most of the students are placed, though they are from non-IT background, if they have joined this course, they are getting placed in good of MNCs. Okay, now my second point is, we will I will give you at least one project after completion of this one to everyone, and that project you can include in the resume. So basically, whatever we are going to learn, that project. So for everyone, I will give you separate project. So it is not same for all. So it is a resume building. I can help you for project. Then we will also help you for the Naukri profile building plus LinkedIn. Means you will get how to build a Naukri profile, also will help you how to build a LinkedIn profile. And this all, if you see, this is the end-to-end course. Plus, we will also cover SQL plus Power BI. This syllabus, we will take only that concept which is required for your uh, we can say that industry training or this course. Okay, so if you see 1 2, and how many things are there, 1 2, the modules I'm saying, telling you, this is first part, this is second part, this is third part, this is fourth one, this is fifth, then this is six. So total 6 part. SQL and Power BI I'm taking as a one. So if you see, this is the syllabus is very vast. It is very difficult to complete the syllabus within a 5.5 months. But to be honest, guys, I am also taking the sessions on the weekends to try to complete the syllabus as soon as possible, because it is not like that I am trying to complete the syllabus only. I am also focusing to make the people hands-on with the practical skills. Means whatever the content I am going to teach you, that every concept I am trying to make it hands-on with you also. And that is a bigger plus point for you. If you go any other institute, they will just try to complete their syllabus, not making you hands-on. And this is the difference between Learnomat and other things. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, after this course, if you got any placement and good project, definitely you can crack, you can definitely handle, you can tackle that project very easily, very fluently. No one will see that you are not a experienced. Even after this project, after this course, you can also show that you have 3 years experience, 4 years experience, and definitely you can sound like you are very means you will feel that you have lots of technical skills, and other people think that you feel you are sound like a technical. Okay, so this is the difference, and after this course, 101% you will get more confidence. Now, I hope you got these points. Okay, so this is all about my roadmap, this course. Okay, guys. So, so we will see about the Python today. Okay, and also I will show you some uh, some interesting things for you. Okay. So now we will see about the Python. This is our first module. Okay. Still, if you have any doubt, I will give you last 10 minutes. You can ask me the doubts at the last. Okay. So now I'm again telling you guys from Monday onwards. Okay. Only registered who the people who has completed their registration, that people can join the regular sessions. Today you can join any means you can join freely, that's good. But yes, Learnomat has given lots of free their sessions for you. But from Monday onwards, registration is compulsory. Without registration you cannot join the sessions. So I will request you complete your formalities, joining formalities. Contact our admin team, they will help you to how to how to complete the registration part. Okay. So yeah, now we will focus about the Python. And yes, the first topic I'm going to cover, it is a variable. To be honest, guys, whatever the students I have seen or I have taught them, the first thing in their mind that they are feeling that Python is very, very complex and it is very difficult to learn. Guys, I can ensure you, if you daily join my sessions, within 45 days, you can able to write any Python code. I can ensure you, within 45 days, if you join my sessions every day without any gap, okay? Or though you are taking any gap, if you go through the recordings, 101% I can ensure you, you can able to write the Python code within a 45 days. Okay. Now, let's see. We will start our Python from the variable part, which is very basic of the Python. Now, in the Python, we have basically two types, guys, basic and advanced. Now, this syllabus we have designed as per the industry's requirement. Means what exactly industries are looking for, and whatever they are looking for, that content we have added in this course. Okay. So basic, you will get idea about. So I'm just making a list. So in basic, you will learn about the variables, loops, then decision control statement. Then you will also get about decision control, if else, loop, functions. Again, there are two types of function, system defined and user defined function. Both we are going to complete. Functions here in advanced topic, we will cover list, set, tuples, dictionaries. Then we can say numpy, then pandas, then matplotlib. Means what we are doing in matplotlib, we will see about the data representation in the Python, data visualization, we can say data visualization. So this is just basic list, whatever I am remembering right now. But yes, I know there are lots of things that is covered in the content. And if you ask to our admin team about the syllabus, they will give you detailed syllabus structure. Okay. So there is a first part. We are going to start with the variable. With the variable. Now I want my first rule of the session, that I want this session should be both way communication. It should not be one way. Okay. First time I'm going to teach you. I will clarify your doubts and then I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, so let's start now. Now, what is a variable? Okay, a variable, guys. Uh, Now give me one. I will just tell you one thing. Regular in real time we are using. Uh, Now suppose we are going to office, or we are going to school, or we are going to college. So we are carrying one tiffin box, right? In that tiffin box, we have some space for the dal, one space for the rotis, one space for the rice, and one space for the salad. Okay. So it means this is nothing but what? Your container. What? Container, which you can store your chapatis, your whatever the substances are there. Same thing in Python also. Suppose you want to store some data, whatever it is. It is a numerical data, it is a textual data, different types of data. So in the variable, we will requires. So what is a variable? If you see, we want some container to store the data, right? And that container we are calling as a variable. So container means what? The variable, the vary. If you see variable means the if you see variable, the value of variable can vary. Means value can vary. Vary means what? Change. I'm just giving you example. Now, what is the example of the variable? Let's see. X equal to 10. Now, when I say x equal to 10, in the backend, what happened? In the backend, Python, Python having the interpreter. Interpreter in the sense, it is a kernel. Okay? It has a kernel. Kernel is nothing but an interpreter. So, what they will do, they will create a variable for the name of x. Means like this. The one container they will create at the backend in the memory. When you say x equal to 10, in that container, this value is going to store. And this container name they have given, that is the x. So when this location, this container has been created in the memory, there is certain ID as we going to create. This is something like this. Anything, I don't know. Because that is happen in the backend, we don't know what is the memory location has been created. But we can see that what is the memory location, we can get that by using ID function. I will help you for that. Okay. Now, I will also tell you which software we are going to use for writing Python code and all these things. But try to understand, this is our first session. I'm just taking from the scratch. Okay, I'm just trying to remove your fear. Some people are scared about the Python. I'm just trying to help you that how the Python is very easy. Okay. Now, sorry. When you say x equal to 10, it means the container has been created, okay, and the name has given that x. Now, when you say x equal to 20, means it doesn't create any other variable. What they will do, they will delete old information and just overwrite a new information. Getting? Means for x, whatever the variable they have created, container they have created, old value has been deleted, new value has been overwritten. The location is same, and this is the variable. So initial value is 10. Later on, you can change the value of this variable. That's why we are telling that value can vary. The value of the variable that can vary. That's why we are calling that this is a variable. Means the value of the variable or container that can be changed. Now suppose x equal to 10 and suppose y equal to 10. Two variables you are going to create. Now what is happening at the back end? Try to understand. When you say x equal to 10 means one variable is in the Python interpreter, they will create one space for you, which is, I can say it is a container, and that variable they are giving the name as a x, and the value is 10. Now, as the value is same for x and y, so they will not create another container or another variable. They will just point out this value to the y. Now it means another one more variable, if you create z equal to 10, again z is also pointing to same value. They will not create 3. And this is a interpreter. This is a, why this is happening? This is a memory allocation is happening by Python interpreter. And this is a, guys, to be honest, it is very basic, but to be honest, people are not understanding when this concept you will get useful for the list and tuples when I will try to explain you data structure, the list functions. That time you will see this topic, this whatever I have taught you just now, this topic will help you in the list. This is something chain, guys. This topic is connected to another topic is connected to another topic. It is like a chain. That's why I'm telling you, don't miss the session. If you miss this session and you have joined from the here, okay, now what happened, if you miss this session, so you will get gap and your chain has been broken down. So that's why I'm telling you, from first day onwards, you need to join each and every session so you will be in a sync. Okay. Now, this is about the variable. So you can store the numerical value. You can also store some textual value, which we can call as a string. String means what? Suppose variable, if you want to store the value, suppose you are creating a name as a variable. It is not like that you can create only x, y, z. You can create a variable like name or whatever it is. So you can store that name equal to, suppose I am taking as a Vishal. Okay. Why I have given this single quote? Because this is just textual information. This is a string. In Python, we require this single quote. At the time of string, I will show you in the depth. We can use single quote. We can use double quote. We can use triple quote also. I will help you why when we need to use single quote, when we need to use double quote, when we need to use triple quote. But for time being, just try to understand that name is a variable where I am going to store this value. Vishal is a value I am going to store in the name variable. Now there are certain rules, guys. There are certain rules. Now try to understand what are the rules for variable. Certain rules. First rule, numbers are not allowed. Numbers are not allowed at prefix of variable. I will show you practically, don't worry. Each and everything I'm going to clarify. I'm teach you thoroughly for practically as well as theoretically, don't worry. Numbers are not allowed at the prefix of variable. What does it mean? When I say x equal to 10, you cannot use or you cannot create a variable like this 1x equal to 10. No, this is not allowed. Not allowed. 1x equal to 10, if you write this, it will throw an error. This is an error in Python. That's why I have written prefix. Means at the starting point of the variable, the numbers are not allowed. But numbers can allowed. Numbers can allowed at the suffix level. Suffix means what? X. If you can write here x1 equal to 10. This is allowed. This is acceptable by our notebooks, Python notebook or Python softwares. But you cannot use 1x equal to 10. This is not allowed. X1 equal to 10 is possible because these numbers I have taken after the variable name. I cannot use before variable name. Numbers I cannot use before variable name. This is not allowed. Understood everyone first rule? Guys, any doubt here? You can put up in the chat box if you have any doubt. This is from scratch. Why I'm telling you everything in the depth? Guys, just understand this is from scratch. Who don't know Python or P also, I want every person should write a Python code. That's why we are taking this much detail. And this is the quality of our learnomate. Okay. Now, this is my second first rule. Are you understood? Yes. Please put up thumb. Very good. Only Shivani, Nitin, Sagar. What about others? Guys, we have 23 people. I'm expecting everyone should be communicate with me. Okay. Only 4 people have given thumb. What about others? Nice. Nice. As I'm expecting from everyone, right? These efforts I have taken for you. So please at least acknowledge me. Okay. Okay. Chill. So this is first rule. Now we will see about the second rule. Don't worry. We will see this practically as well. I will show you. So, okay. The first rule, whatever we have written here, now we will use this practically. Then we will go for the second rule. Okay. Now you will say, sir, we don't have any software. How you will write the code? Guys, for now, I'm just coming to the another point that what softwares we required for the Python. And the installation, I'm helping you. Don't worry. You no need to worry about if you don't know how to install the software. I am the person who can help you. Don't worry. Now, how to install the software? So first, guys, we required Anaconda distribution. Anaconda distribution. Actually, we required Jupyter Notebook. Then we required for the GenAI application I'm talking about, we required VS Code, Visual Studio Code. We can also use, I'm telling you, we can, it is not mandatory. We can also use PyCharm. So basically these two application, most of the people, 99% people are using VS Code and Jupyter Notebook. Now we will also use Google Colab. This Google Colab is a web-based application. This you no need to install it. This is web-based application for Python. You can write a code. It is almost similar to your Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Google Colab, you are not required to download or install anything. It is very simply, it is user friendly. I will show you. First, we will see the Google Colab. Then Jupyter Notebook and VS Code. You no need to install it separately. If you download the Anaconda distribution and if you install it, automatically you can get Jupyter Notebook as well as VS Code. You no need to install it separately. It means Anaconda distribution, it is a package and I will help you how to install, how to download and how to use these softwares. But for time being, this is our first session. So we will not waste our time to installation part. The installation part we will take care for the Monday. Today we will just go through the Google Colab. Okay. So how to open the Google Colab? This is a web-based application. Here we no need to install. No need to install. You can also use at your end, but try to first focus here. Then you can try at your end. Okay. So what people are saying? I heard most of the companies are using VS Code or PyCharm. That's what I'm saying, no? That's what I'm saying. I'm saying these two are mostly people. Most people are using. VS Code is various companies they are using. Yeah. PyCharm is also used, but VS Code is from Microsoft, so it is easy to collaborate, right? So let's do now Google Colab. How to open Google Colab? Try to understand here. See, this is your Google screen, okay, homepage. Just write down here Google Colab. Don't do at your end. I will tell you if you have any doubt, I can help you to do that. Just focus here, what I'm doing. Google Colab. Just put up a enter. See, this is a web-based application. You no need to install. Okay. Now, here, there is one prerequisite to use the Google Colab. What is the prerequisite? You should have at least one Gmail ID. I hope everyone has Gmail ID. I'm just telling you what is the prerequisite. You should sign in your through your Gmail ID. When you have signed in, you just click on Welcome to Google Colab. Now see, this is my previous say means I can say these the sheets. So these are the previous notebooks. Now see, open notebook. Open notebook. I'm just click on the new notebook. And now you have entered to the data science world. Okay. This is our first practical session is going on, guys. Be ready for that. Now see, you can see this is a screen of the Google Colab. Here you can write your Python code. I will give you short introduction about the Google Colab. Here, by using plus sign, you can increase the sales. Now, what is a sale? This is a sale. See, this is a cell. Here you can write your Python code. If you click here plus sign, your cells, sorry, your cells has been increased. Here you can write either one line code, either two line code, or as per your requirement. It's not a mandatory that you can write two line code, three line code, four line code. It's not mandatory. Okay. So this is your sales. You can increase by plus sign. Okay. Now, what is the plus text? Text means what? If you want to write something, some information, suppose we can write down. Suppose I just want to write down some textual information, some information about the code. So I can use this text. Okay. I have written, see, welcome to Python. Now, run on. Okay. You can execute through here from this button, or you can also use shift plus enter from your keyboard. Okay. From your keyboard, you can also use shift plus enter. Okay. Now, uh, guys, I'm just requesting you. There is a attendance form has been given in the chat box. I'm requesting you guys, please fill that attendance form. Okay. And you can connect our admin team. Admin team, please share your contact numbers also in the chat box. Now, when you say welcome to Python, here these are multiple options. Now we will see one by one, but not now. That we will see in the next session. But now we will focus on our main part, which is the variable. Okay. Here, file, edit, view. These are the other options. I will show you only one option, that how to save this file into save a copy into drive in the GitHub or where you want to save. So you can save as per your requirement. Now just focus here. Just focus here. Suppose I'm writing a code. Now x equal to 10. Okay. X equal to 10. I want to execute. So how I can execute? I can click here. Okay. I can click here. Now it is in process. So see, circle is happening. Take a patience. Yeah. Now it is executed. See, the tick mark has been came and it has taken a 0 second as per him. X equal to 10. Okay. Now I can also execute by using shift plus enter. Okay. By using shift plus enter. Now I have written a slash hash here. Hash means what? Comment. If you want to write down some code or information after this, means why this line I have written. So for that I have written a hash. Hash means just I want to write some textual information. Textual means some related information about that line of code. I can use hash. So shift plus enter, why I have used? To execute the code. To execute the code. Now I told you that time ID of X. What is ID is given? This is the memory location, guys. Means I have created this variable X equal to 10. When I am using ID of X, it means this X variable has been created and the location is 11645640. This is not in my control. This is not in my control. Where should I store this variable? This who will control? The interpreter, the kernel. You can say kernel. Okay. What is the kernel? Kernel is nothing but the interpreter who will take care all of this, your execution part. Okay. So x equal to 10. Okay. I'm writing y equal to 10. Right. Now, first time I have given x equal to 10, y equal to 10. If I change x equal to 20, see, initial the value of x is 10. Later on, I have changed it x equal to 20. I'm just pressing the button shift plus enter from my keyboard. See, it has been executed. Now I'm checking. Now I'm checking the x value. Now suppose z equal to x plus y. I'm trying to make it sum. You will say, sir, where is the z? I'm not getting the value of z, right? I'm not getting the value of z. So for getting the value, for getting the output, we have a function that name is print. Okay. You can use the print keyword, and if you execute it, see, print equal to 30. Now how it is 30? X is 10, y is 10. It should be x plus y is 20. Why it should taken at 30, guys? Tell me. Because recently what happened? They have overwritten they have deleted the last value 10, updated with 20. So now x, the value of x is what? 20. The value of y is 10. and this is the Z. Now check what is the first rule I have told you, that we will cross validate it. Numbers are not allowed at the prefix. So let's check it. Is it really happening? Suppose I am writing here 1x equal to suppose 40. Trying. What happened? Syntax error. Invalid decimal literal. Means numbers are not allowed. But can I use numbers after the variable? Check it. X1 equal to 40. Yes. Means the first rule is validated. Agree? Yes, no. First rule is validated or not? Numbers are not allowed at prefix. Number is allowed after the after your variable name. This is your first rule. Understood now? And this is my style of teaching, guys. First, I will help you for the theoretical part. Then immediately I will help you for the practical. And this is the way how you can also teaching in the future also. In future sessions also, you will see same quality. Same things is happening in my every sessions. Okay. Now, again, what is about this is my first rule. Now we will talk about the second rule. Let me open that pad. Yeah, here. Sorry, guys. Some cough. Second rule is that special characters not allowed except underscore. Except underscore means the percentage sign, hash sign, dollar sign, okay, hyphen, slash, forward slash, backward slash. These types of special characters are not allowed while creating the variable. So let's check. Let's check now. So I'm checking dollar of x equal to 70. See, invalid syntax. I'm trying after this 70, right? X percent. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, I'm telling some star. Here, if you see your special characters is what? This dollar sign. Before it is not allowed. Before it is not allowed. After it can take it. But can I take before underscore? Before underscore of x? Yes, it is allowed. And this is the second rule. This is the second rule. Special character are not allowed except underscore. Understood now? Everyone, second rule means you can add the prefix word, but I don't want to make a confusion. So I'm just make it as a simple that numbers you cannot use at the prefix side. You cannot use the special character at the prefix side. Suffix side both are allowed. Numbers allowed as well as your special character. But at the prefix underscore is allowed. Underscore is allowed. Now you need to tell me. Okay, you need to tell me. I'm asking to you. Now you need to tell me. Is it working or not working? And this time I want answer from you, everyone. If I write star of x equal to 50, it can work or not work? Everyone, put up your answer in chat box. It can work or not work? Star of x equal to 50. Not work, not work. Good. Only three people are replying. What about others? Okay. Now tell me, you people, x underscore equal to 60. Is it work or not work? Nitin, Gayatri, Manish, Sagar. What about others? Paul me, good. What about others? Om, very good. Yes, it will work. It will work. This will not work. So this is half of the half concept of variable. Half, only half. Because there are multiple ways to store the multiple values. Means I can store the variable like this also, x comma y 10 comma 20. Means if I write down, where is it? If I write down here x comma y equal to 10 comma 30. Just executing it. Now see, if I check what is the value of x, 10. What is the value of y? 30. Yes. Now you will say, sir, you have not written print. Yes. There is a difference between why we are not using print, why we when we need to use print, when we not used to print. And that we are going to see at the Monday session. This variable, sorry guys, I'm really having some throatal infection. So this is just 50%. We cannot say 50%. This is just 30% of the variable part. There are lots of things we need to learn about the variables, and that we are going to continue from Monday onwards. Okay. Guys, I'm just telling you one more time. The from Monday onwards, without registration, you cannot join the session. So I'm requesting you, whoever interested for the sessions, please complete your formalities. And now, if you have any doubt, please ask me your doubts. We have 10 minutes for you. Please, you can unmute and you can ask your doubts.
Yeah, Vishal sir, this side is Manish.
Yeah, Manish.
Sir, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 10, z is equal to 10. ID, it will be same.
No, no, no. It will not say.
But you have told that in the box that x, it would be in the same
Yeah,
location.
yeah. That is some. I can say it is some twist. I will complete it on Monday. Don't worry.
Okay,
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 it is
okay,
a twist. Yeah,
okay,
don't worry. I will cover that point.
okay, thanks.
Yeah. So, guys, please, if you have any other doubt regarding your scope and you are from non-IT background, how you want to switch, everything, whatever even if it is a simple doubts, please let me know. I can handle your doubt also. From Monday onwards, guys, you will get a new link. Whoever join, the paid people will get a new link. Okay, and they can join from Monday onwards. This
Already registered people, right? Just they're asking registered
registered.
minimum.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you're registered, you will get that link. The our admin team will create one group, or they will communicate with your new link. Don't worry. But
Okay.
whoever not registered, they will not get that link. So I'm requesting you, please contact our admin team, fill registration this link, and then we will learn about variable part.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone having any doubt?
Yes, hi sir, Polmi here.
Yeah, please follow me.
Yeah, so suppose x equals to 10
Hmm?
and ID of x is given some address of the memory allocation,
Yeah.
memory address.
Yes.
So if we change, means, can you please open your notepad screen once?
Sorry, me. Actually, this all your doubts I'm going to cover at Monday session. Today, these files, actually, I have my office call at 8:30. But yeah, to be honest, whatever you have a doubt, I will definitely cover on Monday session. Or you can arrange one call with admin team with me. I will cover each and every topic for you. But
Okay.
sorry for today. I'm really apologize for that. I have
Yeah,
immediate
it's
calls
okay,
at
sir.
8:30.
Actually, my question was just it's a place allocated for the storing the values of x, right? It's a place is being allocated. So if we change the value of x, why that memory allocation, that address got changed? Means it should
I
be
told you, right? This answer even Ramdev,
okay. Sure,
Manish
Monday
has
we'll
also asked
discuss
me
on it. Yeah.
that I will cover this point because there is something I need to explain you. Then you will understand that.
Okay, sir. Sure, Monday
It will
we'll.
take more time. Within a 2 or 3 minutes, it is not possible to explain. That's why I'm requesting you for wait for Monday. It will clarify on by Monday. It's my assurance to you.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubt other than this technical and all this discuss because variable part we have not completed. So don't worry. This all the whatever the question in your mind, you will feel that sir, this is only half of I have learned. Don't worry, we have just started, right? 20-30% we have completed. We have not completed entire topic. So you just wait for some time. Every question, whatever the question in your mind, I will cover it. That is my assurance. Any
Sure.
other thing?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
And yesterday's and today's class recordings will be available on YouTube, right?
Yeah. That you can contact to on our admin team. They will help you for that.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend. What about others? Anyone having doubt related to your openings and about jobs, everything? Okay, if you don't
Hello.
have, yeah, Shivani.
Sir, after this Python classes, we will be open for Python roles also,
Yeah,
Python-related roles.
you can be work as a full stack developer because you will get a full hands-on about the Python. It will help you to write down the Python code and everything if you write. So definitely you can work as a Python developer also.
Python developer and full stack.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
For full stack, you need to learn something about API, fast API and API other things. But Python developer you can apply for it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other thing? Okay, guys. If you don't have any question, then let's meet on Monday. Please complete your registration part. Fill the attendance form. We will connect on Monday. You will get new link, whoever the registered. Okay. Thanks.